Brace yourselves because you're about to hear a prediction that might just blow your socks off. Delve into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies where Bitcoin, the pioneer of this digital financial revolution, holds the crown. We're about to embark on a journey of prediction, speculation, and an audacious claim that might seem on the brink of impossible. Imagine a world where Bitcoin, the world's most renowned cryptocurrency, achieves a jaw-dropping value of $100,000 or more before we step into the year 2024. Doesn't that sound like a story spun from the loom of fantastical speculation? It'd feel like a figment of a wild futurist's imagination, or a daring prophecy from a seasoned gambler. However, this bold forecast springs from the mind of none other than the highly respected crypto expert, Adam Back. Adam Back, a man whose name resonates with respect and credibility in the cryptoverse, is known for his deep understanding and masterful grasp of the complex crypto market. His prediction, which might seem outrageous to some, is based on an intricate analysis of several key factors. First and foremost among these factors is the classic dynamics of supply and demand. These two fundamental forces have always played an instrumental role in determining Bitcoin's value. Couple this with the potential approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF in the United States, and the conditions seem ripe for a significant price uptick. But that's not all. Envision the stablecoin market, currently valued around a modest $125 billion. Now inflate this figure to an astronomical $3 trillion. Such exponential growth could potentially jolt the entire cryptocurrency market, providing a substantial boost to Bitcoin's value. If we turn the pages of history, Back's prediction might not seem as far-fetched as it initially appears. Bitcoin has shown a consistent pattern of appreciating in value following its halvings. Furthermore, considering that the market has been in a slump in recent years, a surge in Bitcoin's value could well be looming on the horizon. Adam Back remains unwavering in his belief that the $100,000 mark is within Bitcoin's reach. To add a riveting twist to this tale, Back's unwavering conviction in his bold prediction led him to a high-stakes bet on the social media platform, Twitter. He staked 1 million Satoshis, equivalent to a modest 0.01 BTC, wagering that Bitcoin's value will hit or surpass the $100,000 mark before the 2024 halving. The stakes might seem insignificant in comparison to Back's wealth, but what matters here is the principle, a principle that hinges on the expected demand and supply shock. In the vast expanse of the cryptocurrency universe, a particular corner buzzes with philanthropic activity. Here, Chris Larson, the co-founder of Ripple, a significant player in the crypto world, made a noteworthy gesture of his own. His name may not be as recognized as some of the other crypto giants, but his influence is undeniable. Larson, a visionary in the field of virtual currency, donated a staggering multi-million-dollar amount of XRP, Ripple's native cryptocurrency, to the city of San Francisco. This wasn't a random act of philanthropy. Larson's donation to San Francisco was a testament of his deep-seated love for the city. It was a reflection of the affection he held for the city's vibrant culture, its diverse population, and its innovative spirit. He wished to invest in the city that he called home, and what better way than to support it with the currency of the future? Ripple's involvement didn't stop at a mere donation. The company also notably contributed to security measures in the city. What's interesting is how Ripple's involvement was materialized. It was through monetary contributions to community benefit districts, organizations that are vested the responsibility of handling the security cameras and data. They ensured the privacy measures were strictly adhered to, making Ripple's involvement not just about money, but about promoting a safer community environment. Larson's vision extended beyond charity and community service. He held strong opinions on the evolving regulatory landscape of the cryptocurrency world. He found himself thrust into a legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the Securities and Exchange Commission, a regulatory body that oversees securities laws in the United States. The dispute was a pivotal point in the crypto industry, bringing under scrutiny the very nature of cryptocurrency. The court ruling in favor of Ripple was an event that Larson saw with great significance. He viewed it not merely as a legal victory for his company, but as a groundbreaking moment for the industry at large. It was a validation of the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies, a signal that they were here to stay. The ruling set a precedent that would influence future legislation and regulations, acting as a beacon for other players in the crypto industry. In this ever-evolving corner of the crypto world, Chris Larson's significant gesture stands out. Through his actions, he has demonstrated the potential of cryptocurrencies to bring positive change. He viewed the court ruling in favor of Ripple as a groundbreaking moment for the industry, signaling the dawn of a new era in the world of cryptocurrency. In conclusion, Adam Back's prediction of Bitcoin potentially hitting an astronomical $100,000 before the year 2024 is a projection that has captured the attention of the crypto industry. This near-future prediction is not founded on wild guessing or mere speculation, but rather on a thorough examination of some essential factors. Firstly, let's shed some light on supply and demand dynamics. This concept refers to a basic economic theory that illustrates the relationship between the seller's willingness to supply a product or a commodity and the buyer's eagerness to purchase it. Adam Back fervently believes that the insatiable demand for Bitcoin will significantly outweigh the supply, a scenario that could potentially catapult Bitcoin's value to a staggering $100,000. Secondly, Back's prediction is anchored on the potential approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF. An exchange-traded fund, ETF, is a type of security that tracks an index, sector, commodity, or an array of assets like an index fund. This approval would mean that Bitcoin would be available to a broader of investors, which would no doubt stimulate demand and hence drive the price upwards. The third pillar underpinning Back's prediction is the phenomenal growth of the stablecoin market. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to minimize the volatility of the price of the stablecoin relative to some stable asset or a basket of assets. The rise in the stablecoin market essentially signifies an increased acceptance and use of cryptocurrencies, which directly influences the value of Bitcoin. Back's unwavering confidence in his prediction went as far as leading to a Twitter bet, illustrating the level of belief he has in this outcome. Meanwhile, Larson, another crypto enthusiast and pioneer, expresses his passion differently. His love for the city of San Francisco has inspired him to make a significant donation, showing how the crypto industry isn't only about market dynamics and financial gain, it's also about the impact it can make on society. Additionally, we mustn't lose sight of the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the SEC. This tussle could potentially have far-reaching implications for the crypto, as its outcome might set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are viewed and regulated. In light of all these factors, it's evident that the of cryptocurrencies is a labyrinth of complexities. It's a blend of economic theories, legal battles, and even social impact. So hold on to your hats, folks. The crypto roller coaster ride is far from over.